sure some of that. And actually one of the ED, one of the directors I worked with told me that he thought I could use some vacation. Actually at the time, Moelis, anyone that got like invited to stay on for more than 2 years, they required you, from what I remember, to take a month off at least. So initially when I left, it was just kind of part of that program. I was like, listen, I'm staying. Let me at least just get a break, a breather, and then, I'll come back or we'll see.
Mm-hmm. So tell me how that evolved. Yeah, how did that evolve? So you kind of went away for a month thinking you'd come back?
Yeah, initially I just kind of took a leave of absence, not somewhat in line with the program they were doing at the time. I don't know what they're doing now, but at the time I remember one of the guys that became an associate, like he took a month or two off and then came back. I don't remember exactly.
Yeah, so
initially it was just kind of a leave, and then eventually I was like, I'm kind of happy here, so I extended the leave.
yeah, fair. So tell me about it. So you tasted your freedom. You're like, I'm not going back. Okay, so tell me a little bit about that. So where did you go? What were you thinking? You had family still in Jersey, I assume. So like, were you living at home when you finished?
I actually went. I went abroad to Israel.
Mm-hmm.
That was like, it was something I thought about doing in college, but I didn't really have the time or the money or like any like family, any sort of like family like okay with it. So it was more of like that was a good opportunity for me to kind of go explore a passion of mine.
Okay, and so tell me what you did there. What was that like? I'd love to hear about it because you were there for how long? How long were you in Israel?
I was there for a little over a year. I was learning in a yeshiva there. It was a really nice experience, just kind of intellectual learning. The first thing I did, which was great, was get 8 hours of sleep a night again. So that was a lot of fun.